and you send me the solution of also that question. I will discuss first all that question. In some question you have mistake only, maximum question right. First question is particle like behavior of light arises from fact that each quanta, you have given the answer x and x dash. What was the answer given by you? Please repeat every answer.
The first question is if nu equal to frequency c equal to velocity of light.
The first question is
If nu equal to frequency c equal to velocity of light, then momentum of photon would be.
no, actually I want to discuss the first question of photoelectric effect and dual nature topic, and the question was particle like behavior of light arise from the fact that each quanta of light has definite x and a fixed value of x dash, just like
Before that, given one more.
you are seeing which question.
Before that, you have provided me another question.
No, not first material, second material. This was provided to you 1 to 20 question simultaneously. Open this 20 question.
Yes.
First answer, x and x dash represent
Energy and momentum.
correct. ठीक है, you are right. Second answer, the work function of a metal is independent of 2 and 4, that is dimension of metal, and 4 abundance of metal. I think this is not correct. This is not correct. In this answer, the answer will be B part, first and third, because third will be surely property of metal. Independent. Okay. You are right. Independent. I think dependent. Independent. Okay, you are correct. In third question, you have given answer cadmium. Correct. Fourth question, photoelectric current does not depend upon. In this question, what you have given the answer?
Stopping potential.
But on which basis? Stopping potential, I think, will not correct. Photoelectric current does not depend. Does not depend means no effect on current of which quantity, that will be frequency of incident light. First answer is confirmed.
Okay.
But first is not with first and 4 only, so this answer will not correct. This is tricky question. Try to understand. First one, if in answer only first answer only given, then the question is correct. But here mixed with first with 4, so due to fourth intensity of light, it is not correct answer, because current depend on intensity. Okay. Now second and third only. So second work function is stopping potential. So this will not correct, because work function have no effect. C is third only, stopping potential, and D is 2 only, work function. So 2 cannot possible. Now the present use presence of mind. D answer is second only. Second means work function. If we answer will be work function, then answer must be B also, because in B answer third work function is coming. So these two answer will not correct, and first also get cancelled because intensity comes. So your answer is correct. Perhaps you have given stopping potential only. So this is the correct answer, stopping potential. Understand? Always try to match the answer. Mainly in this question, the correct answer is frequency, but frequency is matched with another answer, so this answer will not correct. Okay. Next question is, the wave theory of light does not explain.
Photocurrent.
Wave theory of light does not explain photocurrent, polarization, diffraction, interference, all the three. Okay, because wave nature have all the three. In case of one thing, remember that in you will study in optics that here is the wave theory of light. Light, in light wave, polarization occur, diffraction occur, interference occur, all the three term occur, all the three phenomena observe. But in case of wave theory of sound, at the place of light, if sound is written, wave theory of sound does not explain. What will be the answer? So remember always this point, note, in sound wave, polarization process, polarization phenomena not occur. Very important question. But in case of light, all the three phenomena occur: polarization, diffraction, interference. But in case of sound, only diffraction and interference. So the difference in light wave and sound wave is only polarization process, polarization phenomena. Okay, this will you will study in optics chapter. Now the question number, which question number? 7th. Of the following property, the photon does not possess. What you have given the answer for 7th question?
I didn't like it.
7th question answer will be rest mass,
Okay.
because
The sixth question.
sixth okay, sixth question, the particle nature of light is not confirmed by particle nature, diffraction of electron. I think photoelectric effect correct, but diffraction of electron is not correct. You have written the answer,
Yes.
diffraction of electron.
Yes.
Okay. 7th question is, we have discussed that rest mass. Okay, because
So what is it?
the meaning of rest mass is that photon rest mass is zero. Means if a body is at rest, suppose we are at rest, we are sleeping, bed rest, we are taking bed rest, or you are taking bed rest, but in that case we all possess mass. That mass is known as the rest mass, because in moving condition mass will be different. That is the phenomena given by the Einstein mass energy equivalence relation, E equal to mc square. So if a body is in rest, it possesses mass, have mass, in rest position also and in moving condition also. But photon have zero rest mass. This is the condition. Okay. Now the question is, the photoelectron emitted from a metal surface are such that their velocity is You have written the answer?
Lies between 0 and a finite maximum.
Correct. One thing I want to know, that you have given all the answer by your thinking or taking any help.
Sir, I read the text and then did this.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Never try to type the question on the Google and see the answer. Okay, ठीक है.
No, I didn't.
Okay, okay, ठीक ठीक. That will be harmful for you. You that will not give advantage to you. So this question is also very correct. Why this answer is not correct? C, lies between 0 and infinity.
Infinity can.
Because infinity is an imaginary number, and so it cannot, the photoelectron cannot have this velocity. Okay, imagination. Now question 9th. Einstein's photoelectric equation states this. In this equation, kinetic energy refers to, you have given the correct answer. I checked. Maximum kinetic energy of emitted C answer, maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron. Okay. Now in 10th question, photon and alpha particle have same wavelength. What is same for both? What momentum? Simple formula, lambda equal to h upon mv or lambda equal to h upon p. If same wavelength, lambda same, automatically momentum p will be same, because p equal to h by lambda. Then p equal to h by lambda, so h is constant, lambda is constant, same for both. That means momentum p will also same for both. Okay. Now the 11th question is the ratio of specific charge of an alpha particle to proton. What is the formula for specific charge?
Alpha particle 4, proton 1.
No. That is charge. Here is the term specific charge. So specific charge is always given by E by charge by mass. Always remember formula. Now solve this question and give me the correct answer. Specific charge equal to charge by mass. So solve this question in 1 minute, 2 minutes, and tell me the correct answer. For that reason, I think you consider only charge. Specific charge taken as charge. So you have given the incorrect answer. When you will take the charge upon mass, give the correct answer. Now do and tell me. कहाँ गया वो लिखने होगा? Specific charge equal to charge upon mass. Always remember this formula. Charge of alpha particle always take 2q. Charge of proton and electron always take as q. Okay?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Charge of electron and proton always take as q. Remember in your mind. And charge of alpha particle always take 2q, double, 2 times. And mass of proton, electron always take neutron m, all the 3. And mass of alpha particle always take 4 times, that is 4m.
Okay.
So solve this question and tell me the answer. This thing always remember, because alpha particle is helium 2He4. So charge will be double and mass will be 4 times of proton. Question number 12. The de Broglie wavelength of particle of mass. You have done this question very correct and you have sent the solution also. I have seen this question. Perhaps the answer is given by you. Tell me once again the answer. But your answer was correct. What answer you have given for this question?
H into 10 raised to 6.
Correct. 10 raised to power 6 into H. I have seen your solution also, and that was correct. Now in question number 13 you have sent the solution, but this question was tricky and this question was asked in AIMS examination, All India Entrance Examination, Medical Entrance Examination, AIMS. The trick was in that question was, you have given the answer. First you tell me the answer. You have given the answer perhaps E by C. Always remember, the answer for this question will be 2E by C, because photon falls on surface, reflecting surface, not only surface, reflecting surface. So, and momentum of photon will be E by C, correct. This momentum, and after reflection photon will come back, return back. So in this case its momentum will be minus E by C. So change in momentum is
E by C plus E by C.
That is 2E by C, and the change in momentum is will be transferred to the surface. So the correct answer is 2E by C. Okay. Remember this question. Question may be asked in CBSE also, NEET exam. Now the question is the graph between momentum and de Broglie wavelength. You have given the correct answer also, but tell me the answer once again, because B, because I am discussing only for this reason, that you have remembered in your mind the answer of any solve these questions which you are as was solved by you. Now the question number 15. In this question you have done good steps, send me the solution, but what is the calculation mistake? I can't understand. What answer was given by you for question number 15?
Actually, I didn't get the exact answer.
But in this question the answer is exact. This is also asked in medical entrance exam, and do this question once again within 2 or 3 minutes, quick. And I am giving the idea. You have done all the steps very accurately. First, energy E equal to W work function plus K. So energy E equal to W plus 0.5 EB, means 0.5, first step. And second step will be, in second case, what is the energy?
20%.
20% increases. increases 20%. Means in first case agar the value of energy was E, then in second case the energy will be 6E by 5. And understand how this becomes. See on the board, because this percentage criteria is used in many type of question, momentum, kinetic energy, in other chapter also. So the percentage method must be clear. Suppose E equal to energy initial, see on the board, and final energy will 20% of E. Energy increases 20% of E. That means 20% of E means 20 divided by 100 into E. Okay, 20 divided by 100, percentage means divided by 100 into original value is E. Always multiply with original value, initial value. So after 20 and 100 get cancelled, energy increases by E by 5. Okay, so final energy will be E plus E by 5. E plus E by 5. This becomes 6E by 5. Clear?
Yes.
So first equation was E equal to work function plus 0.5 EV. Only 0.5 you can write. And second equation will be 6E by 5 equal to work function will be same, plus kinetic energy becomes 0.8. Now solve this question, this equation 1 and 2, and give the correct value of W. You will tell me, because two equation I form. Give the correct answer for this question. And very easy. Plus 4. Okay, 6E equal to 5W plus 4. Now multiply equation first by 6. So again you will get 6E equal to 6W plus 3. And after solving you will get 5W. When subtracted you will get the answer. Okay, this is the correct answer. This percentage method is clear or not? If in any question given 20% reduces, not increases, decreases, then what will be the final energy?
E minus E by 5.
That is 4E by 5. Suppose in this question, if question changes that initial energy get decreases by 20%, so the answer will be different. And if initial energy increases by 20%, question will be different, answer will be different. Okay, so first you will find the percentage increase or decrease energy, and you will add or subtract in initial energy or initial momentum. Okay, now the next question is question number 16. Again percentage question. Find percentage change. Actually I have given this type of question because I want to know your command on percentage question. For that reason I have given, because mainly in competition exams percentage question will surely come, at least 2 or 3 question on any other topic.
Okay.
So do this question. This question is very easy. Percentage change means final minus initial. Suppose take initial wavelength as lambda I subscript, lambda I equal to lambda, and then take lambda f equal to, find the value. Given question, kinetic energy increases 16 times. So what will be the final lambda f? Use the formula lambda equal to h upon 2mk. de Broglie dual nature question. See on the board, I am solving this question. Lambda I equal to lambda, lambda f not known, but ke, initial ke equal to k, and final ke is how much?